Okay, you wanted to record, now then you can record.
No, 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 no. Because your camera quality is fine, then I think you should record, okay? And then send it to me.
Okay, I'm visible and audible clearly.
See, wait a minute. Am I not audible?
You are audible, just I'm asking about myself. That
Yes, yes, yes. Completely, completely.
okay, okay. Thank you so much for confirming. How was your day, Kavita ji, and how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you? How are you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty good. I'm thriving where I'm planted. Yes. So, how was your day? You didn't tell me.
My day was quite productive. Why am I saying? Because few things, that was pending since long that finally I completed, and I checked my few assignments, and now I'm here with you. So yeah,
Hmm.
it's well. Hmm.
Okay, how did you find me? As you said that I am new here.
Yeah, Mari has given your number to me.
Okay, Mani is your friend?
No, no, no. Yeah, and I got her number through somewhere else. I don't know
Okay.
who gave her number. I think Sheikh. Yes, there is a one YouTuber. Her name is Sheikh. Sheikh gave her number Mani, and Mani has given your number to me. So that's how we are connecting,
Okay,
right?
I know Sheikh. Yeah, she's a good speaker.
Who? Mani?
Sheikh.
Sheikh. Uh, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
we'll discuss later. Okay, so since we are meeting the very first time, I don't know you, may you don't know about me also. So can we introduce each other for our audience, for
Yes.
ourselves as well?
Yes, definitely, definitely. It's such a good start. Okay, so I'll start with my introduction. Okay, my name is Kavita Pawar, and I'm originally from Uttarakhand, but I was born, raised, and I'm currently based in IIT Delhi. And professionally, I have been a private tutor for the past 14 years, conducting both online and offline classes from my home. Okay. And additionally, I have started giving spoken classes to beginners. And on a personal note, I'm a mother of two grown up children, and that's all about me.
Nice, nice. And what are your hobbies? You didn't tell me, I think.
My hobbies, actually, these days, I'm into this, speaking and learning and giving classes and all that. So seriously, I'm not, looking here and there. But yeah, I was quite good at dancing. I don't know, as of now, I didn't, try. But yes, dancing and like teaching. These
But
are the two
you
hobbies.
are speaking very well, and your confidence level is also good. Your English sounds good. How did you gain this much fluency? Can you give me tips so that I can also
Yeah,
follow?
yeah, definitely. It's my pleasure, dear. But first, I wanted to know something
Oh,
about yourselves.
yeah,
Hmm?
sorry, I forgot. I forgot.
It happens. It happens when we interact to each other. Then in a flow, it happens.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so this is Savi. I'm connecting to you from Indore, MP, beautiful and cleanest city of India. And talking about my qualifications, so I hold my master's in English literature and B.Ed as well. As per teacher, I have hold my qualifications, and my evocation and vocation both are teaching. And I have also copious of hobbies. One of my humongous hobbies, learning English, joining with people, co-learners. So I'm enjoying with my this hobby and I'm learning bit by bit. This is a snapshot about me. Thank you so much.
Very nice. Very nice. Amazed, I must say that.
Yeah.
So now, coming back to your first question, that how did I learn this language? That was your question, I guess.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah, Savi, see, in my case, what happened, like I wasn't into this, mindset, and I would say that race that yes, I should learn this language. Seriously, I wasn't aware. And what happened with me? One day I was, out of the blue, I would say that I was scrolling my phone. I was not into any mood to do some productive work. And suddenly, animated, videos popped up on my feed.
Mhm.
Okay, I clicked it, I watched it, and I liked it. I liked few characters. I binge watched many episodes, one, then two, and three, and four, and so. after some time, I realized that, oh my God, this is such a very, very interesting language. Why? Because I started using this, here and there. I started with my students, like, I'm over the moon, hold your horses, something like this. Many idioms at that time I were using.
Mm.
And I started in a day-to-day life as well. And I took interest in this, and that's how, I developed this language. So that was my journey. I didn't, see any other's journey. I was very happy giving my classes and doing my household chores works. I was sufficient, I was quite content. But
Hmm.
luckily, I would say that.
Yes, yes. But right now you are comfortable in this dialect.
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes,
understand.
yes, yes. It's
Okay.
been two
So,
years now for me. Yeah, it's been 2 years now.
it's been 2 years
Yeah.
like consecutively speaking, right?
Uh, Here there is a little catch.
Okay.
I knew this language. I started this through cartoon animated story and all that. But even though I was not paying that much of attentions, I didn't practice a lot. But since I was 6 months, I would say that for a past 6 months, I am now, I have been now more focusing in this language. I'm learning, I'm practicing, I'm focusing on my mistakes because I believe no one is perfect in this language. Okay,
No
we all do
one.
mistakes, we learn, we do mistakes, and again, so this is a long process.
No
So
one perfect.
yes,
Rightly
yeah.
said by you. No one perfect
Mhm.
is perfect in this language. Even those who are pro in this language, they also make mistakes. We don't
Yes,
catch their mistakes because they are very confident about speaking in all,
yes,
right?
yes,
So that's why we don't
yeah.
focus. Here and there they make mistake, grammar and sometimes. But they are very confident about, they have hold very much nicely command over this language. That's why we don't focus. They also failed so many times. Nothing like that. They have started journey and they have catch this fluency within a month and 6 months. No, they still they are working, they are reading in whatever they want to present in front of the audience. They still prepare and they read books. And nowadays we are not into reading books, and so many practices we miss sometimes, right?
Mhm.
Because everyone wants instant result without any effort. So effort must be there, and hard work, no substitute of hard work. If you are doing something, if you are burning midnight oil, you are honest with your work, then definitely you will take means hold this language in, take command actually
Definitely.
in this language.
Yes,
So okay.
I
So
I couldn't agree more. Yeah.
yeah, should we start our English with Hindi to English translation? How Hindi to English translation helps? Do you have any idea about it?
Savi, there is a network glitch. Could you please come again?
Yeah. So, should we start our learning English journey with Hindi to English translation? It will help you or not?
Okay, so I'll tell you, as per my experience,
Yes.
I don't know about others because everyone has their own journey
Own
and has
style.
their own,
Style.
mindset.
Yes.
Mindset like that. Some of them, take this language as a subject. Some of them take this language as very seriously mode that no, by hook and crook, they have to mug up, they have to learn this, they have to mug like a do 10 sentences and 10 idioms and 10 difficult words in a one single day. I didn't start like this way. And seriously, being a teacher, I can say that this is a something very wrong approach.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to address here the students and then those who are beginners, like what could be the right way to learn this language. Okay. So as per my belief that I would seriously tell them, if you really want to learn this language, first of all, you have to, work on your mindset
Okay.
that every language, every skills can be learned and at any age.
Hmm.
It has nothing to do with this, oh my God, that you have crossed 40s, you have crossed 45s, you have crossed 60s, now you are on your retirement age, so you can't learn this language. It has nothing to do with this. So first of all, you have to be very, very, very positive like this. You can learn this language and you can, do anything in your life, whatever you want to do this. Now here comes then practical things that what could you start and do first. See, we have to look a child journey, you know, we all know that, but we forget to apply those tricks in our life. Huh? A
Yes.
child is, never afraid of doing mistakes. He never, shamed of, repeating things again and again and again. Others just mocked. Oh my God, he said this wrong and all that. But, a child never takes this seriously. The same way, similarly, we have to observe people around us who are very proficient in this language and whom you admire a lot. Okay, if you admire Priyanka Chopra, many speakers are there. Any one of if you admire, then copy them. Some of them they called it, yeah, it's a shadowing practice.
Yeah.
Nothing is harm. Every practice has their own importance. If shadowing practice works for you, go for it. If Hindi English translations, as you mentioned it, if it is worked for you, then go for this. Yeah, nothing, every practice has its own importance. I'm repeating this. For me, I started with listening. I used to listen a lot, a lot. That means I still remember that, I'm a teacher, and that time I was also giving classes. My 5 batches were running that time also. And I'm a mom of 2 kids. So you can understand, Mani, Savi, you can understand that we don't have, a proper sufficient time that, yes, this is our, special time and specific time. We can use it in our life, like in our skill. So I used to kept my phone in the kitchen slab, and I used to listen. So now coming back to your question, like those learners, if they want to learn this language, observe people first. Okay, observe people. You will soon realize that after observing people, you're starting this language. You are also using this language. Little bit sentences. Once you get comfortable with this language, then it comes to see your tiny mistakes and grammatical mistakes, adding idioms, adding many things are there. So these things comes later. For a beginner's one, just go with the speaking part, and Hindi and English translations is also a good. I am not, fully disagree that you shouldn't go with this. Simultaneously, you can inculcate those habits in your life. Watching tutorials of sentences, and at the same time watching, listening to podcast and something. But the main thing is this: you have to speak, open up your mouth, and speaking comes with speaking.
Yeah.
No alternative is there.
No alternative is there. Whatever fascinates you, you can go with that flow. No matter who somebody is suggesting, then you have to follow that path. You can choose according to yourself. If listening matters a lot for you, you are taking interest in listening, reading, anything, then you can go with that flow, right? If you are very good at English, like Hindi to English translation, you can follow that method as well. So
definitely.
Yes. Actually, wait a minute. Plug-in charging. I forget my laptop.
Okay.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry. You can add this one, okay? Please add this part. Okay. I was saying something, and whatever fascinates you can go with that flow. And you mentioned rightly, child never feel like anybody is judging me. Then if I am falling again and again, I'm learning walking, I'm learning speaking. If I make mistakes, then no, everyone is just means people will judge me and they will mock at me. So he never bothers about his mistakes, right? And now I have 10-month-old baby. He has started walking. He walks few steps and then fall again. He means hold something and stand, then again he walks and fail. So I was thinking yesterday that we always says and we always listen in any podcast that child never feels anybody judging me, then I have to hold myself for walking, but because he will mock at me. What if he mock at me? What if he judge me? I'm not walking in a right way and I'm not correcting sentence in a right way. So that triggered me yesterday that you point raised today. So actually it happens, no bothering at all from their side.
Yes.
So but now we don't speak, and we feel like once I will get perfection in this language, then I will start. I think no one is perfect, and
Yeah.
perfection never exists in this world, I think. So why we bother
Yes,
ourselves that
yes.
once I will perfect, then I will start, then I will communicate with co-learners. So
And
that
here, one thing that I want to add it, Savi, like again, there is a blockage in most of the learners' mind that they believe that they will learn this language within some period and all that. That means they are they are impatient. They have to learn that yes, patience matter a lot. We can't build our muscles in a 1 month and in a 2 months. We need to work daily, through our habits, through our like a routine. That means we have to wake up early in the morning and go to the gym, and secondly eat healthy food. Many things are there. So similarly, the same way we have to think that this is not a journey of a 3 month and 4 month, because this is not our native. We are not surrounded by English environment, so we are creating artificially it. So that is the reason that we have to speak more and listen more. Instead, and instead just writing 10 difficult words is not a solution of your problem, and thinking that yes, if others has achieved this goal within 3 months, so might be his journey is something different. Why you are comparing yourselves with others journey? The very first thing. And then patience. You have to patience with your journey. Rome wasn't built in a one single day. They have to repeat and say to their own self that practice and practice, isn't
daily
it?
practice.
So if they, just implement those three things in their life, as we have, understood these things, might be that is the reason that we are, moving ahead in our life. We are imparting our knowledge. I'm a teacher. I'm imparting my knowledge with my students. They are learning. I'm also evolving day by day. So I didn't think in my life that, oh, I have only 6 months and 1 year. I should give 1 year to myself. No, I didn't expect anything from myself. I did one thing. I believe in myself. I just, try and try and try. Nothing else. I used to speak a lot that time. I still speak. I still read. But I didn't expect anything. That yes, within 6 months and 7 months.
Daily practice, but keeping patience and focus.
Yes.
Three things are there.
Focus.
If you are focusing on daily basis, no matter whatever you are reading, if you are reading 10 lines, 2 lines, if you are not focusing on those lines, then you will not able to remember those lines. So you have to focus also. Keep focus on whatever you are practices doing, right? So if I say, Kavita ji, what would be first habit if you want to start your practice tomorrow? Suppose you are beginner, and if I give you chance, then okay, now Kavita, you have to start your journey. So because you are Tyro, you cannot utter a single words. So what would be the first habit? Maybe reading, writing, whatever. So what would you like to choose and why?
Nice question, and definitely this will help many learners. Okay,
Yes,
if
that's
they
why.
take this our experience and our advice seriously. I'm telling you, there is no as such shortcut of this problem. Again, I'm telling you, first of all, you have to work on your mindset. This is very important, very, very important. If you open your mind that, yes, this is easy, I'm doing it, I can do this, everything, you will see that, yes, it's happening in your life, and you are just achieving, you are moving, and you are getting. One thing is there. Second thing is there. It's better. It's completely better if you divide your time into 3, 4 sections. I'm not saying that in a one single go, you have to speak continuously 1 hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. No need, seriously. Do one thing, just take 10 to 15 minutes for your listening practice. And again, here is a catch. Don't go with a very hi-fi, native and very advanced, something content and all that.
Agree.
Go with a simple English, very easy, simple English that suits your personality. That you understand at least 90 to 95%. Yes. Okay. Very basic English. Where are you going? Yeah, I will join you. I have done this. I'm not in a mood to do this. Something like this. What's your name? These sentences. Okay. And after you just you have paid 10 minutes in this practice. Second thing is this is your listening practice. Okay. I'm adding this. It's your listening practice. Second thing is this. Now you have to, if it is possible, that well and good. You just whatever you listen, just try to write it down. And the one thing, Sabi, is that we are so fortunate enough, we are so blessed that we are now living in this technological era where technology is so high. We shouldn't depend on others. We shouldn't think that, oh my God, we don't have any practice partner. With whom do we practice with and blah, blah, what's not. Okay. In our time, it could be the problem. But now it's completely excuse. Sorry, but it's excuse. Okay. I'm adding to myself, sometime. Oh, okay, but now we have many applications and websites are available there. Okay, so we can practice with this. And yes, coming back to this, now ChatGPT is a blessing in disguise. If you write your sentences, you can correct it from the ChatGPT, help of ChatGPT.
Yes.
Write your, okay, start with the 5 sentences. I'm not telling you that you have to frame 10 sentences. Write your 5 sentences and get it corrected with ChatGPT. This is your writing practice and just a small paragraph. Read. Again, how to read it? Read aloud. Open up your mouth as much as you can open it. If you sound funny, okay, let it be. Let it be. Once upon a time, there was a king. Something, something, something. Start reading it. If you have to take it a comics book, so go with this comics books and Cinderella book, something, any story book, if you like it. Okay. And some co-learners and people says like go with the motivational story books and very hi-fi. No, that's not your might be a genre. Take a simple story book. It could be your NCERT books. Okay. So reading, spend 10 minutes for reading, spend 10 minutes for writing, 10 minutes for listening, and then again LSWR. All 4 practices are very, very important.
Very important.
But start with 2. Start only 2. So that's my advice for the beginners. And I'm damn sure if any beginners would start using this, suggestions, my advice in their life, definitely they are going to achieve soon fluency in their life within few months, I would say that. Because now you have opened up your mind is fresh, you are now something, very energetic person, so you can build it anything.
Yes, 10 minutes, 10 focused minutes. If you are doing daily basis
and consistency.
With consistency.
Not like that you are showing that, oh, we have to spend 10 minutes. No, it should come from within yourself. Okay, read aloud something.
Yeah, consistency and 10 focused minute if you are doing on daily basis, then you will achieve this fluency within a 6 month and one year according to your caliber. All right. And don't go high, as you said, that if you are not understanding native speakers, though you are listening, doesn't matter, you will learn. Still in this stage, I am not listening any native speakers. I'm not following. Whenever I watch any podcast, then I simply prefer Indians because I love my accent. First, I want to learn. I want to take command on my Indian English. Then I will jump. So first I want to learn my English, then I will go to high. Well, so many people are chasing like native speakers. Okay, I'm not saying that is bad. You can go with, but first you have to achieve fluency, whatever requires you. Then you can jump. And don't focus like high vocabulary and high idioms. Simple words. If you are gaining on daily basis, instilling on daily basis, then it will help you, right? So these practices like speaking and reading, you can start from listening also, and speaking very, very helpful. Once you will speak, then you will use your mouth muscle and it will train. So training your mouth muscle is very important, and read out loud whatever you said. Exactly Whenever I read something, I try to read out loud because I want to correct my pronunciation as well. So these practices will help you, and without breaking consistency, because so many people, what they do in 6 weeks, 6 days, 3 days they do, and 3 days nothing, then it will also not work, right? So if you want to become a good speaker, passionate you are, and if you have hunger, then definitely you'll do. We have hunger, then why we are here today, we are learning. No matter I'm making mistakes, I'm doing glitches, still I'm holding
Yes.
conversation, I'm so no matter.
Yeah, definitely. I do agree with you completely, because we can understand now. Just one question they should ask themselves, like, have you ever seen any child that they started, learning walking, crawling, and started with, running? As simple as that. As simple as that. This is, it's a great example. It's just popping up in my mind. That is why I'm sharing with you. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
as I said, na, my child, I see to him, and he walks and again fell, then again walk.
Yeah.
So he's
Yeah.
learning actually how to walk.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we
And
cannot
you
learn
said,
walking by reading any book. And similarly, we
yes.
cannot learn speaking without holding book. We have to use mouth muscle. We have to speak. Once we start speaking, then we will learn this language. Okay. So if you have any question from your end, then you can feel free, means you are free to ask.
Okay. So, one questions that I want to ask you, only one question, like Savi. Uh, did you face any kind of embarrassing situations in your life through this language? Like, once you faced, oh my God, I have done something, blunder. How do I, correct it? Did you face any kind of challenges in your life as of now?
Yeah, I have one time I did. Actually, I shared this thing 2 times, but you are asking that
Oh,
in short, I tell
okay.
you. Yeah. Once I came indoor after getting married. So in the morning, I was walking in morning walk with my husband. So everyone write in their apartment toilet. I wasn't able to understand what is the meaning of toilet because I didn't know English. Any sentence, even somebody say went, what is the went meaning? So I didn't know anything. Then I one day I asked, I couldn't hold my horses at the time. I asked Hari, what is the meaning, why they people, means why people write in their personal apartment toilet? So he said, no, it's not toilet, it's toilet. Oh my god, I embarrassed a lot at that time.
God,
Yeah,
seriously.
so that was my
Yes, such a
embarrassing
funny, but
moment.
yeah, I understand your like a situation that time, that how embarrassing it could be if you would have asked this to stranger. So
My God,
yeah,
yeah. Okay,
yes,
I
definitely.
then feel bad because he was my husband, right?
He was your
Yeah.
husband. Yeah.
Yet I triggered a little bit, not lot, because I didn't
Mhm.
know anything. Then I fixed, no, yaar, Sabi, you have to learn this language a little bit
Yeah.
at least. Then I have took admission in a masters. Then I started learning this.
Very nice. Very nice. Good.
Okay, so I think we have covered lots of questions
Yeah.
and we are running out of the time. So thank you so much joining me, not joining me.
Yes, Avi, and it's such a, lovely conversations, and I shared my, experiences with you, and I really feel very, good, and I hope that, audience will also learn something and, do make most out of it.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
and we'll soon catch up again,
Yes.
and lovely talking to you.
Lovely talking to you. Great day ahead.